In this video, I am wearing a scarf. And in this video, I am going to audit a local Ontario Hockey League team, the Guelph Storm. That's what we're going to do today, hence why I'm wearing the scarf, because I am a Guelph Storm fan. So I don't want to do them dirty, but at the same time, they got some things to fix on their online presence. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first and foremost, I received this email from the Guelph Storm in my box today. Hit me 4 hours ago. Luxury suites and brand new party decks on sale now. Single game premium seat options. These guys are going full steam ahead with the luxury suites and brand new party decks. Okay, so I was curious about what are they doing online to help amplify this message, amplify the reach of this, right? Because there must have been a lot of planning involved, you would think. So the email is one thing. Obviously, they have a massive email list of ticket holders, people who have purchased tickets in the past, season ticket holders. They're all getting this e-blast, right? But you know, I think the average nowadays is 20% of people that receive emails actually open them. I'm curious to know what their open rates are at Guelph Storm. But at the same time, let's say it is 20%. Let's say it's 30%. What about the other 70% that do not get this message? How are the Guelph Storm marketing team getting in front of those people? So it made me want to do a deeper dive. So when we click that link to learn more about the luxury suites, we are taken to the website, which is chl.ca. Right? It seems like it's a site that's probably all of the teams in the CHL all have this kind of connection to the site. I don't love it. It's okay. But at the same time, why is Vistaprint showing up at the bottom of my screen here? Why do they have an ad at the bottom of the screen? I'm curious, who's monetizing that? Do the Guelph Storm really need to make money from the people that click on this Vistaprint ad? Right? Definitely, it's not helping my experience at all, right? I wonder how many people click on that link, go to Vistaprint and purchase something. I mean, it looks like they're a sponsor of the Guelph Storm, and I'm sure they're not. I'm sure if it was my wife going to this page, she would see a different ad. But my point is that why do we need to have this Vistaprint banner on the Guelph Storm site? They need to fix that right now. So moving on, looking at the information. Okay, so again, here's another GPTs for your business. So this is all ads over here. I believe these are ads. Interesting. Okay. So anyway, yeah, this is definitely ad choices. Yeah, this is Google AdSense. So do they need to monetize their site through banners? I wonder who's making the affiliate money from that. I'm curious. Anyways, but looking here, if I want to get my tickets for my luxury suite, I'm going to click that button there and it goes to this long form. Really what you need to do is maybe just email, name, phone number and get a call from a customer service rep, or have an AI agent like Chatello.ai that's there to answer a lot of those questions and collect lead information for the Guelph Storm. Shameless plug for Chatello.ai. But anyway, moving on, that could be a much more seamless experience to get leads. Now, let's go over to their Facebook page, because you got to think, if the Guelph Storm are doing this massive push for these luxury suites, then they should be running some ads. And unfortunately, they are not running ads. This page is not currently running ads. Should definitely be running some Facebook and Instagram ads targeting the people that are not opening that email in their inbox, right? That's a simple campaign. That's a custom audience of the people that are on that email list for the Guelph Storm. Hit them up with a Facebook or Instagram ad with this new launch or this new offer of the luxury suites. A good time to do that. It's timely, especially if you're doing that push now. Going over to Insta, it looks like they are posts. First of all, I got to give credit to the aesthetic. I like the branding that's used on Instagram. I think it looks very clean. I love the text that it's using. I follow these guys as well. I like their content. Now, but when it comes to the paid side of it and the direct response, are they actually getting people signing up for these luxury suites? And I truly doubt it, especially if all they're doing is posting a post and then telling people to link to more. It says a link to more info in stories. Well, unfortunately, a story is only going to last about 24 hours, and it seems to be a recurring theme when they're getting people to go to the link in story. So it made me wonder, well, they should have a link in bio that's linking to this special offer for luxury suites. That would make the most sense to me if you're doing a push for it. So I proceed to go to the Linktree, and unfortunately, the Linktree does not look like it's up to date. So here's the Linktree. It looks like Guelph Storm is using a free version of Linktree. and they are not up. It's not updated. So that's one thing too, right? If you're going to say link in story, that's one thing because the story expires in 24 hours, but link in bio at least is going to get people to go over to the bio and perhaps be interested in the luxury suite so you can bring them back to the website. My suggestion is if you take them down that journey, make it as frictionless as possible, right? What I mean by making it frictionless is if you're taking a user from Instagram and getting them to try to buy or inquire about luxury suites for the Guelph Storm, how can that journey be as simple as possible, right? So, what I like to do is maybe send them to a landing page where there's limited information that needs to be provided. And then that back and forth can happen through an AI agent on the website, a chat. Maybe there's a salesperson that's going to call, or why not just maybe gate some information about the luxury suites and have it as a download. So at least you get that information, you give them the brochure or the downloadable PDF or lead magnet. And then from there you have their information, and then the sales team can call them and follow up and answer any questions they have, address any objections, all that type of stuff. Okay. Simple journey that I would take people through to try to sell more luxury suites for the Guelph Storm. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe. Till next time, see you soon.